What if I tell you, people can send you real money just by watching your Facebook content? No website, no extra app. Direct Facebook earning. This feature is called Facebook Stars. And today, I'll show you exact step-by-step how to activate Facebook Stars correctly and start monetizing your profile like a real creator. Let's begin. Hey everyone, welcome back to Prayophony, where we help normal users become smart digital earners. I've helped many creators activate Stars monetization and grow their Facebook income system. If you want to earn from Facebook seriously, this tutorial is extremely important for you. Step-by-step Facebook Stars setup. Step 1. Open Facebook app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into the profile, where you want to earn money. Step 2. Open profile menu. Tap the 3-line menu icon. Now tap on your profile name to open your Facebook profile page. Step 3. Open profile settings. On your profile, tap the 3 dots icon next to the Edit Profile button. This opens advanced profile options. Important, unlock profile if locked. If your profile is locked, you must unlock it first, because locked profiles cannot enable professional mode. Stars monetization will not work on locked profiles. So tap Unlock Profile. Confirm unlock. If your profile is already unlocked, you can skip this step. Step 4. Turn on professional mode. Now again, tap the 3 dots on your profile. You will see Turn on professional mode. Tap it. Before we jump into the setup, if you want Facebook earning tutorials, creator tools, and monetization secrets, subscribe to Prayophony and build your online income smartly. Now let's activate Facebook Stars. Step 5. Confirm professional mode activation. Now press Turn on. Facebook will begin upgrading your profile. Step 6. Select default audience. Now Facebook will ask you, choose your default audience. Important. Select public, because stars only work properly when your content is public. Now tap. Next. Step 7. Confirm setup. Now press Confirm. Then Facebook will complete professional mode setup. Step 8. Facebook Stars automatically enabled. After professional mode is activated, your star settings automatically turn on. This means you are eligible to receive stars. Viewers can support you. Monetization system becomes active. You don't need extra setup. Just start posting content. How Facebook Stars earning works. Here's how you earn. When people watch your reels, videos, live streams, they can send you stars. Each star, real money. Facebook pays you directly to your payout account. Benefits of Facebook Stars. By enabling stars, you get direct fan support, creator income stream, monetization eligibility, higher engagement, algorithm boost, professional creator status. Your profile becomes a business asset. Important creator tips. To grow stars earnings faster, post public content. Use reels regularly. Go live weekly. Engage with comments. Follow Facebook monetization policies. Avoid reused content. Consistency, income. Now you know exactly how to enable professional mode. Activate Facebook Stars. Turn views into income. Start monetizing your profile. Remember, scrolling makes entertainment. Creating makes money. If this video helped you, like the video, share with friends. Subscribe to Prayophony, because here, we don't waste time. We build digital income. See you in the next powerful tech video.